I don't know that I've personally pulled any on this second wave of Mosaic that they put out a while back. We should get some silvers and some Mosaics for sure. That would be wild if we could find a pink. I need to go look on eBay and see what number pinks Zion have been selling. Kind of give me an idea if any of them have even been pulled. I'm sure a couple have been pulled, but maybe we'll pull another tonight. Give it a little bit longer, let some people jump in. Alright, we got 12 or 13 people in here, so we'll go ahead and get started. If anybody else jumps in, they can holler at me and see if we might have pulled something interesting. Hopefully my answer will be yes. Got packs all over the place. I'm not a huge fan of the way they pack these boxes. They don't put like a divider in the center to hold all the packs in. They're just kind of running wild in there. Anyways, let's make sure we've got 10 packs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're good to go. I just don't know how to open packs anymore, I guess. Alright. Terrence Ferguson, Tim Hardaway Jr., Spencer Dinwiddie. We have Lou Williams, Blue Reactive. Can't remember if the silvers are upside down. Yeah, they're upside down. Silver, Miles Bridges for the Hornets. Back to upside down here. We got Jarrett Culver. He's got some little dings on it, like fingernail dings. MVP's Wilt Chamberlain. And a Darius Garland rookie for the Cavs. That card didn't look like it had any dings on it. Mosaic. If you can find a good clean Mosaic card, you're doing something. A lot of these cards I see just kind of jacked up. Chris Paul, Elfrid Payton, Jonas Valanciunas. We have a De'Aaron Fox, Blue Reactive for the Kings. Got Game, Anthony Davis. Hall of Fame, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Admiral Schofield, rookie for the Wizards. And a debut Kobe White for the Bulls. Speaking of Bulls, I got to think about old D. Rose today. D. Rose is the one I wish would have never got hurt. You don't wish anybody would get hurt, but like especially D. Rose. That dude was special. And he's still talented even after everything he's been through. I feel like he's a good dude too. I don't know a lot about his personal situation, but seems pretty humble. Man, these packs are brutal. I'm trying to rip them clean at the top, but it's not happening for me. Malcolm Brogdon, Terry Rozier, Kyle Lowry. Got a Brennan Clark Blue Reactive rookie for the Grizzlies. Give and go of Ricky Rubio for the Suns. There's old Goga for the Pacers. Dwayne Wade, Team USA, and Eric Pascal, rookie for the Warriors. Jamal Murray for the Nuggets. Taurean Prince for the Nets. Pascal Siakam. Dante DiVincenzo for the Bucks. Blue Reactive. It's upside down. Terrence Ross killed me in FanDuel yesterday. Come on, man. Got a Mosaic for the Magic there. Should have never played him anyways. What was I thinking? Quindary Weatherspoon, rookie for the Spurs. A debut Kendrick Nunn for the Heat. And Luka Samanic, rookie for the Spurs. That one ripped pretty clean. Buddy Hield. Josh Hart. Markelle Fultz, poor guy. We got a nice blue reactive MVPs. LeBron James for the Cavaliers. Jam Masters Anthony Davis for the Lakers. Old Magic Johnson, Team USA. Kai Bowman, rookie. And MVP's Giannis for the Bucks. Yeah, wrong Luka. I have said that. We used to open Mosaic almost daily. The blasters and everything. And hangers and stuff. And I'm pretty sure I said wrong Pelican. Wrong Grizzly. Wrong Luka. Countless times. It's just the way it goes, though. And when you do pull them, it's like, what? We got Goran Dragic, the Dragon for the Heat. DeMar DeRozan for the Spurs. Mason Plumlee for the Nuggets. We got Mike Conley for the Utah Jazz. A little blue reactive there. It's like we have a silver coming up. Ooh, that's a nice one. Nice silver Dwayne Wade. Team USA. Flip these over again. A debut Brandon Clark for the Grizzlies. Ignas Brazdeikis for the Knicks. And a Hall of Fame Patrick Ewing. There's a nice one here for the Heat. I don't sell Team USA as a separate slot, so it just goes to whatever team that the person played for the longest. So a nice little surprise there for the Heat. There's the Joker, Nikola for the Nuggets. Devin Booker for the Suns. CJ McCollum, 3 good cards there. Tobias Harris, a blue reactive for the Sixers. He's been playing pretty well this year. You got CJ McCollum, Will to Win for the Blazers. Hall of Fame Pete Maravich. That usually means Zion's coming up. We got Cam Reddish, rookie for the Hawks. And a debut Jordan Poole. Is it Maravich or Dominic Wilkins? Maybe it's Dominic Wilkins. That usually means there's a Zion coming up soon. They get a nice little Cam Reddish, though. Dario Saric, Drew Holiday, Glenn Robinson. We got a Nicolo Melli, blue reactive rookie for the Pelicans. Jam Masters Sean Kemp for the Thunder. A debut Ja Morant for the Grizzlies. Cody Martin for the Hornets, and Vince Carter, Team USA. For the Raptors, I think, so he played for the longest. Alright, we got Willie Cauley-Stein. There's a Luka base. Evan Fournier. We got a Tomas Senarensky. Blue reactive for the Bulls. Old school Tim Duncan. Terrence Mann, rookie for the Clippers. Hall of Fame Oscar Robertson for the Kings. And Kyle Guy. He's got a weird indentation across the center of that card. Not sure what that's about. We got Nicolo Melli. And this box has actually not been super great. We're down to the last pack. Oh my goodness, come on. There we go. Hopefully we can find something interesting here. There for a little bit we were pulling a Genesis about every break and a half. Every other break maybe. Wish we'd get back to that. James Harden, Kimball Walker, Bruce Brown. We got a Kevin Durant blue reactive for the Nets. That's sweet. We got a Got Game green of Bradley Beal for the Wizards. Nasir Little, Cam Reddish debut, and a Cameron Johnson rookie for the Suns. That wasn't too bad. KD was back in action tonight. Why hasn't Kyrie been playing? I just keep seeing that he's out for like personal reasons or something. Does anybody know the true reason? Not to get into a man's personal business, but all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Waiting for the day that we get 11 or 12 by accident. Need some Ja and some Zion in this box. Gordon Hayward, Anthony Davis, Giannis. We have a Joe Harris blue reactive for the Nets. Looks like we have a Jam Masters Dwight Howard green for the Lakers. Hall of Fame Ewing, Quindary Weatherspoon rookie, and a debut Kendrick Nunn once again for the Heat. Robert Covington, Gary Harris, Jeff Teague. We have Eric Pascal blue reactive for the Warriors. We might have a rookie here too. Yeah, Quindary Weatherspoon for the Spurs. Wasn't even the best Spur. At least it was a rookie there. There's another Spur. Yeah, Keldon Johnson, rookie there. Debut Brandon Clark and Ignas Brazdeikis, rookie for the Knicks. Victor Oladipo, Jason Tatum, Patty Mills, Terrence Ferguson blue reactive for the Thunder, Will the Win Pascal Siakam, Karl Malone Team USA, we had a Kevin Porter Jr. rookie for the Cavaliers, Hall of Fame Larry Bird for the Celtics. Does anybody know if the Warriors won this evening? Kind of interested in following the Warriors this year because I feel like they've been playing a little better than people expected. Jimmy Butler, Larry Nance Jr., we got Nikola Vucevic, the Magic. It was a Maverick, but it's Dwight Powell, blue reactive. Let's see what we got here silver-wise. Another Miles Bridges. What are the odds of that? That was one of the same ones we got in the last box. We had a Claxton rookie for the Nets, debut Rui Hachimura, and Akil Alexander-Walker for the Pelicans. Troy Brown Jr. for the Wizards. Terrence Ross, Magic. Oh, cover it up. Slow reveal. What color is that? Is that Knicks? Suns, maybe? It's a veteran player. Stephon Marbury, bro. That is sick. What? Oh, that takes me back. Oh, that is sick nasty. Dude really needs to work on his signature, though. But, man, that is awesome. That's pretty cool. I mean, this probably isn't a super expensive auto at all, but that's sick. Marbury, man. That's pretty awesome. Dario Saric, blue reactive for the Suns. Old school Daryl Dawkins, Hall of Fame AI. Jalen Noel, rookie for the T-Wolves. And Ty Jerome, NBA debut for the Suns. Man, that is sick. Like I said, you can probably get this auto fairly cheap on eBay, but just to see it come out of a pack is actually pretty cool. Stephon Marbury. That's crazy. We get a lot of like no-name veteran autos. That dude's got his own shoe line though, or did have his own shoe line. The Marburys. They call them Starburys or something. Alec Burks, Eddie Osman, Jaren Jackson Jr. We got a rookie coming up. Old Goga, blue reactive for the Pacers. We have a, what is this? Silver. Looks like a rookie. Another Eric Pascal. Decent little card there. Looks like it does have something on the bottom. See if it's just a fuzzy. No, it's not a fuzzy. Can't tell what that is. If it's like a piece of stickiness or what. Interesting. But we got another Eric Pascal. We got a blue reactive of him a second ago. There's a Ty Jerome, rookie for the Suns. Dominique Wilkins, Hall of Fame. And a Zion Williamson. Finally found one. Well, sometimes I want to go in smooth. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries. Got a Goga blue reactive for the Pacers. Oh, yeah. We need to pull something crazy, though. That Marbury auto is pretty cool. We need to pull like a Genesis or a nasty little pink fluorescent would be fun. Thomas Bryant, Furkan Korkmaz, DJ Augustine. We got Justice Winslow blue reactive. We do have a silver coming up. Hopefully it's a monster. Domantas Sabonis. Pretty popular player here lately, though. Pacers have a nice little break. Little silver there of Sabonis. We got another Luka for the Spurs. Magic Johnson, Team USA. Kai Bowman, rookie for the Warriors. Warriors having a good break. Steven Adams, Bryn Forbes, Dorian Finney-Smith, Dwayne Wade, blue reactive Team USA, another nice one for the Heat. There's a Got Game Mosaic Donovan Mitchell for the Jazz. That's pretty sweet considering they can't really get any rookies. DeAndre Hunter debut, Dylan Windler for the Cavs, and Hall of Fame Shaquille O'Neal. My boy Shaq. Shaq may be the most loved NBA player of all time. Aside from Kobe. Kobe may be the most said word in the English language this last year. I'd be interested to see what that word is. Oh, no, this is 2 boxes. We're already almost done with the second. Ricky Rubio for the Suns. Grayson Allen for the Grizzlies. KCP for the Lakers. Have a Drew Holiday Blue Reactive for the Pelicans. Oh, yeah, Jeff, you got a good point there. Blake Griffin Mosaic for the Pistons. I feel like Blake's just kind of a disappointment. He was so hyped coming out of college. Maybe that just proves you can't build a team around a power forward or whatever he is. There's a Kobe White rookie for the Bulls. MVP Steph Curry and a Sekou Doumbouya rookie for the Pistons. A little Pistons action in there. Maybe Blake Griffin just needs to have an extra guy around him. I don't know. I'm sure he put up monster numbers earlier in his career, and I just don't remember it, but I just never remember his teams doing very well. Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. Bojan Bogdanovic. D'Angelo Russell. We have an Andre Drummond Blue Reactive for the Pistons there, still in the Pistons uniform and team. Clyde Drexler Jam Masters for the Blazers. A debut Darius Garland. Bruno Fernando rookie for the Hawks. Got a weird little fade line there. We got a Patrick Ewing Team USA for the Knicks. We'll do a quick recap here. Not a lot going on. We did get one auto, but no Genesis or numbered cards. We got De'Aaron Fox Blue Reactive, Miles Bridges Silver, Blue Reactive MVPs LeBron James for the Cavs, Jam Masters Anthony Davis, Brandon Clark Blue Reactive for the Grizzlies. There's a Silver Dwayne Wade Team USA, John Morant debut, Nicolo Melli debut Blue Reactive. There's a Kevin Durant Blue Reactive. Got Game Green of Bradley Beal. Quindary Weatherspoon Mosaic for the Spurs. Eric Pascal Blue Reactive. Stephon Marbury Auto for the Knicks. It's kind of interesting there. Miles Bridges, another silver of him somehow. We got Zion Williamson rookie. Eric Pascal silver debut. Goga Batazzi Blue Reactive for the Pacers. Dwayne Wade Blue Reactive Team USA. We had a Donovan Mitchell Mosaic Got Game. Silver Domantas Sabonis for the Pacers. And a Kobe White rookie. We also got Darius Garland, KPJ, Cameron Johnson. We hit some of the other rookies. We got a Rui debut, I think, as well. So just not a really awesome color or anything. We got a Brandon Clark Blue Reactive and an Eric Pascal Silver debut. I think was about as wild as it got. But anyways, appreciate you guys jumping in. Shoot me a message if you need anything on eBay or Facebook. Be glad to help you out. Y'all have a good work week, and we'll catch you later. See you.